Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Portmore and we're giving you an update on this $1 billion park being built in Portmore. It's called the Portmore Resilience Park. It should have been finished it should have been finished by August 2025, but as you can see, they still have some work left to do. So they're trying to open it for August 2026. They're trying to open it for Independence in 2026. So we're going to give you an update on what's happening here. The Portmore Resilience Park is a major urban development project designed to provide a modern recreational and climate resilient space in Portmore. Built on approximately 26 acres, the park will include sports facilities, green spaces, commercial areas, and climate-smart infrastructure to improve quality of life for residents. The project is being implemented by the Urban Development Corporation as part of a national plan to expand public parks across Jamaica. It is designed not only for recreation but also to address environmental challenges such as heat and flooding. Importantly, the total cost of the park is estimated at about 4.4 billion Jamaican dollars, making it one of the largest public park investments in the country's history. Overall, the Portmore Resilience Park is expected to become a central hub for recreation, economic activity, and climate resilience when completed. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. And the government announced recently that they're going to be building a park like this over by King's House on West King's House Avenue, that part of King's House. And they also plan to build a park like this in Mandeville. And it was stated earlier that the government is trying to build a park like this in every parish. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And do you think this park will finish by August 2026, which is, I guess you could say we're in April now. April, May, June, July, 4 months. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.